So after the 2026 update, if you want to show your full followers list on your Facebook profile, let's launch the app. Go to menu. From there, go to settings. Scroll down and enter audience and visibility. First, enter followers and public content. Now first, you need to just go to Who Can Follow Me option and make sure to select this to public. As you can see, only the friends option is visible in this profile. Because after the recent Facebook updates, to make others to follow you, you need to convert your personal profile to professional or creators mode. It can't be done if you have a personal profile. So if you want, just hit try professional mode and just keep following the prompts one after another and turn your profile into professional account. Now after that, if you come back in here, you'll see Who Can Follow Me option is now automatically set to public. And apart from that, just make sure Who Can See Your Followers on your profile is set to public as well. And that's it. Your followers list will show up right on your profile and will be visible to everyone from now on. I hope that's what you wanted. Thanks for watching.